Alright, today I'm wanting to install some lights on my slow Ultra Stick 1.2. I actually found these on Amazon. I think they were like 25 bucks. But the beautiful thing is they are wireless. You do charge them. I got my red, my green, and my clear for the rear. You have your charging pad here where you can charge all three if you choose to put them in the clips that they come in. USB-C right there, or the old mini USB style there, and you can charge three at a time. These plug in just like that and charge. These are your clips. If you're wanting to make them removable, you can attach these, and then they will ultimately snap in. These really aren't the most sturdy. I have a feeling if you use these, they're probably not going to last too long of in and out. I have little plugs here. This is for your charging port because these are supposed to be waterproof. So when you're done charging, you put your plug in there. Your single port, which goes to just your, looks like your pH plug, pH 2.0 plug. You can charge one. These are just little covers, I guess, to put over the lens to protect them. I don't really see any other purpose for those. You got your 3M tape for adhesive, and I think that's about it. But me personally, I'm actually going to be carving a piece out of the end of the wing and recessing these just a little bit, enough to where I can still get my charging port, and then I'm going to glue these in place permanently. That's kind of the idea that I have. I think it's going to look pretty good, nice, clean, flush look. I mean, if what I picture comes out. Got your on-off button here. You do have 3 different settings, and this is quite bright. All 3 of them are the same. I kind of almost wish it had a solid, just because I kind of plan on more using this as like a landing light than a tail light, but it is what it is. Anyway, so there she is right there, what little you can probably see of it. So I'm going to put her up here, get my X-Acto, start carving away at the foam, glue these things in, and I hope it looks as good as I'm picturing. Now that's a pretty damn good fit. No glue, nothing. so you see the basics of it. I'm gonna kind of clean this off a little bit, just kind of make sure it's nice and smooth. And then I'm actually gonna glue these on. I got some of this foam tack glue, because like I said, I'm making them permanent. I don't plan on taking them off and on. It just seems like too much of a hassle. Granted, trying to charge these all three probably gonna wind up being a hassle, so I'm going to figure that out too. But I'm excited to get these carved out, glued, and see how it looks.